Kim G with a weather overview, and today would have done July proud across the tri-state area. Record smashing warmth for most locations that have had long-standing records. You can see that Central Park broke a record back to 1930. Newark hit 80 degrees today. Out east, there was a big difference in temperatures. Look at that. West Hampton barely got out of the 50s today. So did Eastern Connecticut. Islip fell just short of their record for the date. They could have hit 63, but fell short as that sea breeze kicked in. You could really see the disparity in temperatures across the tri-state area, especially around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, where the North Shore of Long Island was still in the 70s, while on the South Shore struggling to hit 60 degrees. So our temperatures are turning around in a quick hurry with the cold front coming through this evening, and we might get a few scattered showers moving through the region. But what you'll notice really overall is the huge drop in temperatures from where we were today into the rest of the week and on through the weekend. So when we switch gears, we're going to have a series of low pressure areas, weak low pressure areas that are going to move through and deliver rain over the next 3 to 5 days. And probably your best bet over the weekend would probably be Saturday, as there'll be a relative lull in the precipitation before we get back into some on Saturday night. So if you're trying to plan for the weekend, that's your best bet. Here's wave number one. This is tomorrow morning into tomorrow early evening. And the frontal zone that comes through tonight basically stalls and allows waves of low pressure to move across the area through the duration of the weekend. So after a little bit of a break Thursday night into Friday, we get back into some steady, light to moderate rain Friday afternoon into Friday night. And this is basically going to be the on and off theme until we can get rid of this frontal zone, which is going to basically sit to our south for the next 3 to 5 days. So here we are into early Saturday morning. We get a relative break, as I was alluding to. I think it'll be mostly cloudy skies on Saturday, and then another wave of rain develops for Saturday, late Saturday night into a good chunk of Sunday. This looks like a healthy dose of rain for Sunday. So not the best day on Sunday. I think that, overall, it's Saturday that's the better of the 2 weekend days. But mostly, we're in a situation where it's going to be very cloudy across the area. Temperatures not really making it much above 50 to 55 for the weekend. Raw and chilly for Thursday, Friday. Temperatures come up over the weekend, and they stay rather mild for this time of year when we get into a more settled pattern by early next week.